Damagum Ayahu Baturi have destroyed PDP. Dino Malai. Well, I don't think that these are the only people that destroy PDP. I don't even believe that the destruction of PDP started with these people that they mentioned. The fall or the destruction of PDP started in 2015 when they formed NPDP to work in alliance with APC. Those of them, like the Sarakis of this world, Tambuwal, Yilola, all those former top bigwigs that left PDP to align with APC, that is the foundation of the problem, and that is where PDP is still battling till today. Well, Dino said the former Kogi West Senator, Dino Malai, accused the acting national chairman of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, Ilia Damagum, Samuel Anyanwu, and Omar Baturi of destroying the former ruling party. Malai said the three chieftains have irredeemably destroyed People's Democratic Party. The former lawmaker also hinted at the commercialization and privatization of the opposition party. According to Malai, end of the road for PDP as Damagum, Baturi, and Anyanwu destroyed the party. We will talk about the commercialization and privatization of PDP. PDP is now once upon a time. You were a part of it. You were part of the NDP then, MPDP. I recall that there were indications that the People's Democratic Party National Working Committee might sanction Damagum and National Secretary Samuel Anyanwu for an alleged letter to the Court of Appeal in Port Harcourt. The letter was seen as anti-party activity, and some party leaders, including members of the National Executive Committee, pushed for action against Damagum and Anyanwu. Damagum has warned that nobody can intimidate him into resigning from his position. Damagum said those calling for his resignation are only enhancing his popularity. Damagum, speaking at the National Reconciliation and Disciplinary Committees, the acting chairman berated those spreading misinformation about National Working Committee operations. Let me send a message to everyone talking about Damagum this, Damagum that. I cannot be intimidated. The more you mention me, the more popular I become. Damagum said, I was talking about popularity, about your party working. It's like every one of them, they have sold this party. They are just there for being their sake, for position's sake, and nothing more to add. They don't care if the party collapses today, and that is why we don't have any credible opposition in the land. APC behaving the way they are behaving because there's nobody to challenge them. They feel they are at home. Well, kindly make your reaction known as we listen to what Nigerians are saying. I am sure those that contributed to the downfall of this party, they are within the party and they know themselves. But maybe Nigeria need to re-echo it for them to know. You can come back to APC after all. You don't test the two of them. If you don't already come try this politician. You did not mention Atiku and Wike. You're talking about Damagum. When did Damagum come into limelight in the party? You are afraid to hit the nail on the head to tell us that PDP is being owned and controlled by only one former governor who has single-handedly brought over the party machinery. Therefore, the person controls Damagum and Anyanwu to his own advantage. As we can see in Rivers State, how political parties should not operate. Until you people stop blaming Damagum and Anyanwu and face that monster that is controlling the two national most senior officers, you are beating about the bush. Well, that is one person saying in his own mind, what destroyed the party is greed, and the destruction started from Asaba Accord. Mr. Dino, go back to APC and stop disturbing us in PDP. He's not welcome in APC. He can't even try it, as he knows those who will chase him out or entering the gate of the APC secretariat. Dino, you are part of the problem. Fake list. The MPDP battered the destruction of PDP in 2014. Founded on greed, Dino can be kind enough to tell Nigerians the list of the founders of MPDP. Also, to give us an account of the political market since 2014. We have merely apologized to His Excellency Goodluck Ebele Jonathan. You go apologize tire because Jonathan is just one out of the 250 millions of Nigerians whom you have greedily plunged into hardship for over 10 years now and still counting. You and your cohort will never go unpunished. Nigerians are watching. You're becoming a dream governor for the rest of your life. You will still jump out from speeding Toyota Hilux again the way you are going. Dino, you are a betrayer and a traitor and should be booted out even from that party. Damagun is not talking like a politician. He's talking like an emperor. PDP has been destroyed ever since you people decided to choose the wrong candidate as the party flag bearer. You refuse to tell us that Atiku Abubakar is one of those who destroy People's Democratic Party by his continued plan to be the presidential flag bearer of the party. He will hijack the position whether the slot is zoned to the north or south. This is a major issue and it needs to be addressed. Why is the People's Democratic Party so toothless that they can't sanction AM members? I am surprised that Wike is still a PDP member. We all know that People's Democratic Party, that Wike is All Progressive Congress member by body and soul, but want to destroy what remains of People's Democratic Party. But you are correct, all they are after is also to destroy the party because they could not fulfill their selfish interest. See Dino talking from on top of tree. He's your greedy boss, Dino, another vampire that destroy People's Democratic Party, not the acting national chairman and the other national working committee members. No ticket for your Atiku Abubakar this time. If you like, come down from on top of tree. Is he on top of the tree? This man has finished PDP and the neck is the field organ of the party. Dino Melaye, you know you are one of the destroyers of People's Democratic Party. You have killed the party and what you are waiting for is just to bury it. Just like that. With PDP, just go like that. PDP is once upon a time. It means PDP is dead and gone. When will it be the burial arrangement? Until Atiku stop vying for the presidency under the platform of PDP. Well, it is your paymaster now, you, the then national chairman, after collecting billions of naira from your paymaster, Atiku to survive the zoning arrangement that destroyed the party beyond irredeemable. Where is Ayu now? Ayu, where are you? Come and answer the query. Well, these are the responses and the comments of Nigerians about PDP being destroyed by 3 key officials. What is your take on this? Are these people responsible for the position of PDP today, or the former governor of Rivers, who is the current FCT minister now, that is adamant of working against the party? Kindly make your opinion known as you like, share, and subscribe.